This is Bradley Patterson with Got Guesses, a binary to decimal converter which asks you to guess the number that it randomly generates. Now this video is going to be more of an overview and tutorial so that you can be best prepared to use this program once you receive it. So let's jump right into it. So we see here that all the LEDs lights are on. We also got a 0 place, and so this shows that the number is equal as we haven't generated a random number yet. Now let's generate a random number. You first do so by pressing the center button here. Now we see that these LEDs have changed. Now what do these LEDs mean? So these 5 here on the left, represent the range in which this value is in terms of decimal values. So this first one says that our guess is within 150 from the ones that we need to get to. This means 100, 50, 25, and 10. Now these two LEDs here represent whether our guessed value is less than or greater than the value that we're trying to guess. So in this case, the left one is on, so therefore it's less than, as expected with 0. So let's just try to make some guesses. So we know we're within about 100 decimal places. Let's make a big one. Let's go to 64 and 16. Add those two together, and we get 80, and let's make that guess by pressing this left button. So we're already at 80, and we got a lot of LEDs on, so it means it's a good thing. All these LEDs on show that we're within 10 decimal places from it, and we're greater than the number, so we need to go down. So let's go down. Let's take off the 16, maybe throw on an 8. Turn that on. So now we're less than the number, so we know it's between 72 and 80. Let's take off the 8, maybe put a 4. Still places, whoops, meant to add before. 76. Now look at that. We've actually gotten the number. Now how do we know we got the number? We have all the LEDs on. We have, which indicates that our number is equal to the guess number. So we did that pretty efficiently, and this is what we'll be doing in order to better be able to mentally convert binary to decimal. Now how do we do this? How do we play again? So now we're going to turn all these things to 0. We want to guess so that our first guess can be 0, and then we want to generate a new one just by pressing the start. And we have a new number. We see that when we continue to press, we get different outcomes every time we press it. Now, in case that you find a point in which you just can't guess the number, it's just too difficult, instead of stressing out and worrying about it, we have this feature here where if you press this button and hold it, it will tell you the number. So here it says 10. We let go. Let's get 10 up, make that guess, and look, it is right. This is Got Guesses, and thank you for watching.